In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save indicator template on TradingView. If you use the same set of indicators over and over, saving them as a template will save you time and keep your charts consistent. Let's walk through it together so you can set it up once and reuse it anytime. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with your favorite indicators already added and configured the way you like. Look to the top left of the chart header. Next to the Indicators button, you'll see an icon that looks like 4 small squares. That's the Indicator Templates icon. Click it to open the template menu. From that menu, choose Save Indicator Template. This tells TradingView to capture every indicator currently on your chart, along with their settings, colors, inputs, and visibility states. It won't include drawings or alerts. It focuses on the indicator setup itself. A small window will appear asking you to name your template. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. A good naming convention might include the key indicators and the intended use or time frame. For example, RSI MA swing or volume trend day. You'll also see options to remember the symbol and the interval. If you check Remember Symbol, the template will be tied to the exact market you're viewing. If you check Remember Interval, it will also store the time frame, like 5 minutes or 1 day. If you plan to reuse this template across many symbols and time frames, leave those unchecked. If you want a template that always loads with a specific ticker and time frame, turn them on. Once you're happy with the name and options, click Save. That's it. Your indicator template is now stored. If you ever tweak the setup and want to update the same template, you can save again with the same name to overwrite it, or use a new name to keep multiple versions. To access your saved templates later, click that same 4 squares icon at the top left of the chart. You'll see your saved templates listed there. Click the one you want, and TradingView will instantly apply those indicators with the saved settings. It's a fast way to switch between different strategies without manually rebuilding your chart each time. If you accumulate a lot of templates, consider trimming or renaming them to keep things organized. And that's all. With a few clicks, you've created a reusable indicator template that keeps your workflow clean and efficient.